Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This video is for class 4. Subject is mathematics. Exercise 2F. This exercise has been given at pages 45 and 46. Students, after watching this lesson, you will be able to know about multiples, know about lowest common multiples, solve question number 1, 2, 3 and real life problems of exercise 2F. Let's see question number 1. Fill in the blanks. Here A part is the fourth multiple of 15 is dash. Students, फोर्थ मल्टीपल का मतलब है कि 15 को हम अगर 4 टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई करें तो इसका जो फोर्थ मल्टीपल होगा वो क्या होगा? यस, 60. नाउ बी पार्ट इज़ 4 मल्टीप्लाई 9 इज़ इक्वल टू 36. सो 36 इज़ द मल्टीपल ऑफ 4 एंड 9. बिकॉज 4 और 9 दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करने से 36 आया, इसलिए 4 और 9 36 के मल्टीपल्स हैं. नाउ सी पार्ट इज़ द कॉमन मल्टीपल ऑफ 5 एंड 6 आर. अब 5 और 6 के कॉमन मल्टीपल्स के लिए हम सबसे पहले का टेबल पढ़ेंगे तो 5 के मल्टीपल्स आ जाएंगे. फिर 6 का टेबल पढ़ेंगे तो 6 के मल्टीपल्स आ जाएंगे. फिर 5 और 6 के मल्टीपल्स में से कॉमन मल्टीपल्स आएंगे हमारे पास 30, 60 and 90. Okay. Now D part is the LCM of 3, 6 and 9 is 18. 3, 6 और 9 के LCM के लिए इसकी प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन करेंगे, उसके कॉमन फैक्टर्स को फाइंड आउट करेंगे और LCM फाइंड करेंगे. ठीक है. Now E part is the LCM of 5, 10 and 25 is 50. Now let's see the question number 2. State whether the following are true or false. Here A part is the LCM of 2 or more prime numbers is equal to the product of the number. Yes, it's true. Now B part is the LCM of 14 and 42 is 14. No, it's false. Let's see the C part. Multiples of 17 are 17, 34, 51 and 68. Yes, it's true. क्योंकि 17 के मल्टीपल्स जानने के लिए आप 17 का टेबल पढ़ेंगे तो 17 1s are 17, 17 2s are 34, 17 3s are 51 and 17 4s are 68. Okay, it's true. 5, 10. D part is the LCM of 5, 10, 15 is 30. के 5, 10 और 15 का LCM 30 है. इट्स ट्रू. ये ट्रू है कि 5, 10 और 15 का अगर हम LCM फाइंड आउट करते हैं तो वो 30 आता है. E part is multiples of a number are finite. के किसी भी नंबर के जो मल्टीपल्स होते हैं वो फाइनाइट यानी कि महदूद होते हैं. तो इट्स फॉल्स. ये फाइनाइट नहीं बल्कि इनफाइनाइट होते हैं. ओके, यानी हम किसी भी नंबर को आगे से आगे मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं. नाउ लेट्स सी द सी पार्ट. सेलेक्ट द करेक्ट आंसर फ्रॉम द गिवन ऑप्शंस. हियर ए पार्ट इज़ the LCM of 7, 14 and 28 is 7 और 14 and 28 के LCM के लिए इसकी प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन करते हैं और कॉमन फैक्टर्स को फाइंड आउट करने के बाद इसका LCM फाइंड आउट करते हैं. तो आंसर हमारे पास आता है 28. सो 28 इज़ द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. नाउ बी पार्ट इज़ 36, 48, 72 are multiples of 12. ये सब 12 के मल्टीपल्स हैं. इट मीन्स कि ये सब 12 के टेबल में आते हैं. ओके, नाउ सी पार्ट इज द LCM ऑफ 20, 25 एंड 35 इज. तो इन तीनों नंबर्स का LCM फाइंड आउट करेंगे. वहाँ हमारे पास आएगा यस 700. ओके, इट्स करेक्ट ऑप्शन. नाउ डी पार्ट इज द फर्स्ट 4 मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 15 आर. 15 के पहले 4 मल्टीपल्स, यानी हम 15 का टेबल 4 तक पढ़ेंगे. तो इसके मल्टीपल्स आ जाएंगे हमारे पास 15, 30, 45 एंड 60. यस, इट्स करेक्ट ऑप्शन. नाउ ई पार्ट इज द LCM ऑफ 8 and 9 is yes 72. Okay, here question number 1 is what is the least number of children who may be arranged in rows of 12, 15 and 9. के बच्चों की वो कौन सी कम से कम तादाद है जो कि हम 12, 15 और 9 की रोज़ में अरेंज कर सकते हैं, ये जिनको 12, 15 या 9 की रोज़ में अरेंज करना मुमकिन है. तो स्टूडेंट्स, to solve word problems involving LCM, we should remember some keywords such as together, least, same and all. Okay, and we can see that the word least is in this question. Least is the keyword, so we will find the LCM of 12, 15 and 9 by finding their prime factors. Okay, for factors of 12 we will draw table and write 12 here. 2 6 are 12 and 2 3s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. So factors of 12, 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. Now we will find the prime factors of 15. First we draw table and write 15 here. Now 3 5s are 15 and 5 1s are 5. So factors of 15 are 3 multiply 5. Now we will find the factors of 9. So first we draw table and write 9 here. 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. So factors of 9 are 3 multiply 3. Students, for LCM of 12, 15 and 9, we will find the common factors of 12, 15 and 9. So what are the common factors in 12, 15 and 9? Yes, only 3. 3 is the common factor. So first we write common factor only once. Okay, then we write all other factors of 12, 15 and 9 like this. Now we multiply together all prime factors and get the answer. Let's see. 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 5s are 60 and 63s are 180. So LCM of 12, 15 and 9 is equal to 180. And answer is 180 is the least number of children. Okay. Let's see the question number 2. 3 bells toll at an interval of 4, 5 and 6 seconds. After how much time will they toll together? कि 3 bells 4, 5 and 6 seconds के वक्फे से बजती हैं. After how much time, कितने टाइम के बाद will they toll together, वो सब बजेंगी. तो स्टूडेंट्स, what is the keyword in this question? Yes, together. Together is the keyword. So we will find the LCM of 4, 5 and 6 by finding their prime factors. Okay. So for factors of 4, first we draw a table and write 4 here. 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. So factors of 4, 2 multiply 2. Now for factors of 5, first we draw a table and write 5 here. So 5 1s are 5. Factors of 5 is equal to only 5 because 5 is a prime number. Okay. Now factors of 6. 2 3s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. So factors of 6 is equal to 2 multiply 3. Now for LCM of 4, 5 and 6, we will find the common factors in 4, 5 and 6. So what are the common factors in 4, 5 and 6? There is no common factor in 4, 5 and 6. So we write all factors of 4, 5 and 6 like this. 2 multiply 2 multiply 5 multiply 2 and multiply 3. Okay. Now we multiply together all prime factors and get the answer. Let's see. 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20, 22s are 40 and 43s are 120. So LCM of 4, 5 and 6 is 120. 120 seconds are 2 minutes. मिनट्स क्यों कहा हमने? इसलिए कि 1 मिनट में 60 सेकंड्स होते हैं और हमारे पास आए हैं 120 सेकंड्स. 120 60 का डबल है, तो इट मीन्स 120 सेकंड्स में 2 मिनट्स हैं. सो आंसर इज आफ्टर 2 मिनट्स they will talk together. Okay. Saima goes to her friend every 15 days and Laiba goes to same friend every 18 days. After how many days Saima and Laiba will visit the friend together? कि साइमा हर 15 दिन में अपने फ्रेंड के पास जाती है और लाइबा अपने फ्रेंड के पास हर 18 डेज़ में जाती है. तो लाइबा और साइमा कितने दिन बाद अपने फ्रेंड के पास जाएंगी? तो स्टूडेंट्स, टेल मी व्हाट इज़ द कीवर्ड इन दिस क्वेश्चन? यस, टुगेदर. टुगेदर इज़ द कीवर्ड. So we will find the LCM of 15 and 18 by finding their prime factors. For factors of 15, first we draw a table and write 15 here. Now 3 5s are 15 and 5 1s are 5. So factors of 15 are 3 multiply 5. Now we will find the factors of 18. So first we draw a table and write 18 here. 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. Students, for LCM of 15 and 18, first we find common factors in 15 and 18. So what are the common factors in factors of 15 and factors of 18? Yes, 3 is the common factor. So first we write common factor only once like this. Okay. Then we write all other factors of 15 and 18 like this. Now we multiply together all prime factors and get the answer. Let's see. 3 5s are 15, 15 2s are 30 and 30 3s are 90. So LCM of 15 and 18 is equal to 19. 19 days. So answer is after 90 days they will visit the friend together. Okay. Question number 4. What is the least number which can be exactly divided by 36, 64 and 72? वैसा कौन सा छोटे से छोटा नंबर है जो कि 36, 64 और 72 से पूरा पूरा डिवाइड हो जाता है? तो क्या आप मुझे बता सकते हैं कि इसमें कीवर्ड क्या है? यस, लीस्ट. लीस्ट इज द कीवर्ड. सो we will find the LCM of 36, 64 and 72 by finding their prime factors. Okay. So for factors of 36, first we draw table and write 36 here. Now 2 1s are 2 and 2 8s are 16. 2 9s are 18. 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. So factors of 36 are 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3. Now we find the factors of 64. 2 3s are 6 and 2 4s are 8. 2 1s are 2 and 2 6s are 12. 2 8s are 16. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. So factors of 64, 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 and multiply 2. Okay. Now factors of 72, 2 3s are 6 and 2 6 are 12. 2 1s are 2 and 2 8s are 16. 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. So factors of 72 are 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 and multiply 3. Okay. Now for LCM of 36, 64 and 72, we have to find the common factors in 36, 64 and 72. So what are the common factors in 36, 64 and 72? Yes, 2 and 2. Okay. First we write common factors and then we write all other factors of 36, 64 and 72 like this. Now we multiply together all prime factors and get the answer. Let's see. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36, 36 2s are 72, 72 2s are 144, 144 2s are 288 and 288 2s are 576, 576 2s are 1152, 1152 3s are 3456 and 3456 3s are 10368. Okay. So LCM of 36, 64 and 72 is 10,368. It's our answer because 10,368 is exactly divided by 36, 64 and 72. Okay. Now what will you do? Yes, your homework. Do practice question number 1, 2, 3 and word problems of exercise 2F in rough notebook and then rewrite them in your neat notebook. Okay. Thanks for watching this video. Allah Hafiz.